Tehran's military parade stage, well, flags waving, soldiers marching, missiles rolling past in the full public display. But you know what? Behind this theater, Iran's defense minister drops a chilling warning to Israel. Let me quote what he said. He said that the rockets were used in the last 12-day war, old models. What we have is now deadlier. Now, if Israel dares to strike again, these new weapons will actually speak. So, the question is, what's really going on here? Let's rewind. Just weeks ago, Israel stunned the entire world with a surprise attack on Iran. Their targets were not any random. They went straight for Iran's nerve center. Top generals, nuclear scientists, uranium sites, and missile programs. Israel said that these measures were actually necessary. Why? Because Iran has openly declared that it wants to wipe Israel off the map. In the meantime, Iran didn't sit quietly. Their response was massive too. Over 500 ballistic missiles and 1,100 drones were fired into Israeli territory. Can you picture this? Sirens blaring across Tel Aviv, families rushing into bunkers, skies lit up with rockets. Well, Israel's Iron Dome tried to intercept, but some broke through. The death toll, 31 Israeli killed. Over 3,000 injured, entire neighborhoods were scared, more than 2,300 homes damaged, 2 universities, a hospital, and thousands forced to leave their homes. Now, Iran is saying that those attacks were done with older missiles. The new ones? They are faster, they are smarter, long range, and harder to shoot down. They haven't actually revealed all the details, but experts suggest that these could include hypersonic weapons, missiles that can travel at 5 times the speed of sound and change directions mid-air. So in simple terms, nearly impossible to stop. And wait, here's a bigger picture. This is not just any random Israel-Iran fight. It is a powder keg for the entire world, including the Middle East. Israel has the US backing, the world knows it. Iran has allies like Hezbollah, Syria, and Malaysia across the region. Now, any spark actually can drag the US, Russia, and even Gulf countries into the battlefield. Think about that. 2 nations trading missiles, but the fallout could shake the entire global oil market, their global supply, and global security. So the message from Tehran is loud and clear. Try us again and we'll hit you back harder than ever before. But the question remains the same. Will Israel risk another strike, or has Iran's warning pushed the conflict into a dangerous new phase?